Act and also other labor laws. So we visited them, we spoke to some of them, and some of these companies that are already hiring illegal foreigners have indeed agreed to that and said what we are going to do is we are going to remove these foreigners and replace them with South Africans. So what we have done is, this is where we've ended our march. The people have given us their CVs. We are going to be doing a CV selection tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it's going to be on Saturday. Then on Monday, some of the faces that you'll see here on this march are going to be walking into the workplaces to make ends meet like everyone else. Now we've visited different companies as well, whereby we had found that the police, some individual police, are blocking us into entering those companies. For an example, this company here, they've blocked us, but they've allowed us to enter into some other companies. There are wild allegations that have been taking place in these areas, whereby they say that some of these police are taking money from certain companies so that they can be protected in some way. Even if they hire foreigners, they will not have any form of a problem. So when that transpired, there is a police officer that we have identified. His name is Captain Sitol, who is in the Sydenham police station. So he is becoming a very big problem for us. And what we are going to do, we are going to be launching a complaint to provincial commissioner, which is General Mkhwanazi, in relation to what these police are saying. But the police, some of the police have been very good to us. They've also admitted that tomorrow we are going to be going to different companies that have been reported that they have got foreigners so that they can be able to enter and remove all of those foreigners. So siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu, imashi ethu impumelelo enkulu. Besingalindele abantu abaningi kangaka, besilindele nje mhlamba abantu aba-100 or so. Isizathu salokho ngoba le ndawo yase-Overport yaziwa njengendawo yamaSulumane, abantu bayasaba. Bonga nje kuma-social media post ethu, amaSulumane namanje yahlala kade comment esanisoze nayenza loo nto leyo. Nizobona kahle, there's a no-go area and what. But today we've demonstrated with ayikho indawo ehlala ama-South Africans esike singeke singene kuyona. So bakwenze lokho, they've thrown threats, we've got screenshots, abanye bebhala ama-message bethi we're going to deal with you and all of those things. Kanti isinto esifuna asifuni violence. What we want is kuqashwa abantu basebenze and then life goes on ngendlela normal. So ikanjalo nje bafowethu, as I've said, siyabonga kakhulu. If there are any questions, we can take 1 or 2 questions and then sizobe sesiyadispersa. Our plan for tomorrow, siyabuya. Njoba sibuya siza la, we have identified certain companies esibe siyokona siyopiketha. Ukupiketha kusemthethweni, awudingi ukureport emaphoyiseni, you just go and picket.